Imagine a world where your best friend doesn't need food, walks, or vet visits, and yet loves you just as much as a real pet. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, 2026 is about to make that a reality. From AI personalities to lifelike movements, robot pets are evolving faster than ever. And this is why 2026 will be their biggest year yet. Over the past few years, robot pets were cool but niche. Limited AI, short battery life, and high costs kept them from being household staples. But that's changing fast. In 2026, new technology, falling prices, and social trends are converging to make robot pets more accessible, more realistic, and more interactive than ever. So whether you're a pet lover, a tech enthusiast, or just curious about the future, this is the year you need to pay attention. So what's making these robots so advanced? Let's break it down. Modern robot pets can learn from you. They recognize your face, remember your commands, and even develop unique personalities. No two pets are exactly the same. Forget stiff movements. Some robots now walk, run, jump, and even do tricks like real animals, thanks to better motors, sensors, and AI-driven motion algorithms. Touch, vision, hearing. These pets can detect your presence, respond to your gestures, and react in surprisingly lifelike ways. All-day playtime without constant recharging, combined with smart apps to monitor your pet, makes these robots more practical than ever. So, which PetBots should we keep an eye on in 2026? Here are a few standouts. PetBots like Emo are getting smarter, more expressive, and more emotionally aware. They don't just sit on your desk anymore, they recognize faces, react to moods, and feel more alive with every update. Then there's Cosmo, a pet bot that blends play with intelligence. It moves, reacts, solves problems, and feels more like a curious little companion than a machine. PetBots like Alic focus purely on emotions. They respond to touch, show feelings like happiness or sadness, and create a surprisingly strong emotional bond with their owners. And the best part? These PetBots are becoming more affordable, more polished, and more personal. Meaning by the end of 2026, almost anyone could have a smart little companion sitting right on their desk. Why are people falling in love with robot pets? Here's why. No need to clean litter boxes or worry about shedding fur. You can personalize behavior, voice, and even personality traits. They learn tricks, play games, and provide hours of fun. Many owners find these pets comforting, especially for children and seniors. In short, robot pets combine all the joy of a real pet without the downsides. Several trends are set to push robot pets into mainstream culture in 2026. Robot pets are becoming stars on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, driving awareness and desire. Connect your pet to your home devices or AR/VR apps for interactive play. From classrooms to therapy sessions, robot pets are proving their value beyond entertainment. Industry experts predict exponential growth in 2026. Robot pets are no longer just a novelty. Of course, there are challenges. While costs are dropping, high-end models are still expensive. Will people prefer robots over real pets? Could it affect human-animal relationships? Robots aren't perfect. AI can misbehave, sensors fail, or battery dies unexpectedly. But even with these hurdles, the momentum is undeniable. 2026 is set to be a landmark year for robot pets. Let's imagine life in 2026 with a robot pet. Morning, your robot pet greets you at the door, wagging its tail and ready for interaction. During work, it keeps you company, entertains kids, or even learns new tricks. Evening, interactive playtime, training sessions, or simply snuggling next to you. without the mess. Robot pets aren't just gadgets anymore. They're companions, assistants, and even friends. So why will 2026 be the biggest year for robot pets? Advanced AI, lifelike movement, affordability, and social trends all point to a major boom. Whether for fun, companionship, or even therapy, robot pets are finally stepping into the spotlight. Are you ready for your first robot companion? Hit like if you're excited, subscribe for the latest in futuristic tech, and let us know in the comments which robot pet would you get first.